Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. Let's take a look at this movement to the upside here in this video, because while the market did move up and basically rallied out of our support or trend reversal area, XRP is far from out of the woods. Absolutely. Remember my concerns about this chart. Remember that I highlighted many times that XRP doesn't like to form 5 waves, and essentially what I'm tracking, and to be honest still primarily tracking, is this 5-wave move to the upside. So wave 1, wave 2, and wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5 still to come. It needs that 5th wave to form 5 waves and to give us a good understanding that the trend actually has changed from a long sideways range to the upside. Without that signal, basically a 5th wave to the upside, the overall situation on the XRP chart remains basically unchanged. And what's the situation on the XRP chart? Well, it is the situation is quite straightforward. It actually hasn't moved in a trend since 2018. So we're just sideways oriented. Basically what we're waiting for is a signal, a first signal that this move to the upside is continuing. And this move to the upside, or this signal, will only be obtained once we can see 5 waves to the upside, because that's, as per Elliott Wave, the most simple form how a trend can be characterized. We need 5 waves up and the subsequent 3-wave pullback. So we are tracking that structure. It's not necessarily super high probability, but it is for me the primary scenario I'm tracking. Basically what we're looking for is a 5-wave move of the August lows. Let me show you. 1, 2, 3. Then we were watching for a 4th wave pullback, happened, and the wave 5 might have started. This was essentially the area where we wanted the price to reverse, between 56 cents and 62. Now, ideally, this would be, ideally we would see a 5-wave move somehow, okay? At least in the A wave, but it doesn't look like it, okay? So we need to be ready for more corrective mess, because XRP likes to move in corrective waves. That's just also here in this diagonal anyway what we have to expect. The thing is just that the A wave can be a 5-wave move or a 3-wave move. It seems like it's going to be a 3-wave move. Again, the subwave structure isn't very clear in these corrective waves, because in a diagonal, the subwaves have to be corrective anyway, right? But obviously within an A wave, you can sometimes have an impulse. It certainly doesn't give us an impulsive look at the moment. See, this is a 3-wave rally, and it also is coming down quite deep again. So again, typical for XRP's reluctance to rally in 5 waves. But that doesn't matter so much. I mean, if it's a 5 or a 3-wave move, it just makes it more difficult to pin down the subwave structure. But the commentary from the last video hasn't changed. So ideally, we stay in the price channel. That would be the easiest pathway for the price to follow with this follow through with this potential 5-wave pattern, because a lot of traders are watching these channels. Now, if it breaks below the channel, not so much of a problem, but would indicate weakness. The key level then to watch is at 58.6 cents. If we break below that level, then I guess it is becoming more and more apparent that XRP is going to fail 5 waves again. So it's not going to be, it's probably going to fail to create these 5 waves then. Why? Because below 56 cents, which is the 61.8 retracement of that rally, I have to be in favor of the yellow count, and that yellow count will first send us down to the August lows and possibly lower. So again, it's not very clear here. Ideally, we'd like to see another high, like for example, Matic is working on it, some other coins, but it just needs to do it. So at the moment, it's not a red flag at the moment or anything, but it just moves in corrective structures and a little higher, and we have 5 waves down. I mean, minimum expectation would be here to get above around about 74 cents. More ideally, I mean, if we look at FIB extensions, so 76 cents would be an ideal one, possibly even 90 cents. So that range would be ideal for this 5th wave. I don't think there is really much to add. The question is, of course, is this A wave already complete? It could be, but then again, this B wave needs to stay above that low that I indicated. So I think this is you can't get more clarity out of this chart, really. It's just a bit of a wait and see now after the price did hold support, but of course a break back into the support area and even taking out that 58.6 cent level definitely would not be favorable in terms of trend development to the upside. That's my update about XRP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.